Grandpa over here. Look at over here. Look at Grandpa. Yeah.
Get the balloon.
Hey, what do you want to hit me? What's up there? Go get it. Watch your eyes. You scared of it?
Look at.
What's that? It's a balloon. 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 Ah. You want that? You want me to read this? Don't dilute your donation.